Welcome to another episode and Merry Christmas. Now, I sort of jinxed myself. In the last episode, I was comparing the Acura here versus the CTS-V, and in that video, I described on how reliable this vehicle has been. After I shot that video, I was replacing the oil on the Acura here and discovered that the axle boot is completely torn. There's grease everywhere, so certainly we need to address this ASAP. That being said, I don't really feel like talking, to be quite honest. I just want to listen to some music and get really at this because I need this vehicle tomorrow, which is Christmas Eve, and Christmas the day after. So I'll dub in some music, grab a cup of coffee, watch along, and as always, here we go. Look at all that axle grease. Yikes. And you can see this stuff is just plastered on everywhere. Absolutely, look at this mess. Now, because this entire assembly weighs quite a bit, I'm removing the caliper and the rotor. Typically, you don't have to do this, but rotors just weigh so much and I don't have the strongest back. I don't want to overexert it. So I'm just going to clean all of this up, remove the ball joint, and then we should be able to remove that axle. Hondas, Acuras, Mercedes, they're notorious for these Phillips size fasteners holding on the rotor. This is the key. I'll link everything below, by the way, if you happen to need any of these tools. Yummy. Okay, ball joint, and let's see if we can get this out. .22 in this case. Yep. Oh, yeah. There we go. Whoa. Okay. A little scary, but it does pop it. Okay, very good. Now, like anything else, there are multiple ways to remove the axle. I just like the ball joint because now I can press down on the lower control arm. This is completely free. Push it out. See how nice and easy that is? Wow, stupid thing. You know what? I think I inadvertently put this axle back in. Hold on, let me get it back out. All right. There we go. Okay, so off to the parts store, and time to get. Yep. Okay. the axle wants to spin, so I'm going to grab a dumbbell and place it on the brake pedal, and that will do the job, or just have someone press on the brake pedal. Oh. All right. Okay. And now I have to torque it to 181 foot-pounds. The big guns. The big guns, baby. Let's see. Whew, I'm tired. Whew. 181. Collar's locked. Almost done, then we can take it for a test drive. Now the last thing I'm going to do is turn the wheel.